Lomotif is a popular social media platform that allows users to create and share short videos. In this guide, we will explore various ways to make money online using Lomotif in 2024. This step-by-step guide is perfect for beginners who want to monetize their content and build a successful online presence. To begin, download the Lomotif app from the App Store or Google Play Store and sign up for an account. Make sure to fill in all the necessary information and create a unique username that represents your brand. Customize your profile by adding a profile picture, a compelling bio, and links to your other social media profiles. This will help you establish a strong online presence and attract potential followers. Decide on the type of content you want to create and the niche you want to focus on. This could be anything from comedy skits, DIY tutorials, product reviews, or travel vlogs. Consistently creating high-quality content will help you grow your audience and increase your chances of monetization. Promote your Lomotif content on other social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to attract more followers. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages, and collaborate with other Lomotif creators to expand your reach. There are several ways to make money on Lomotif. A. Lomotif Creator Fund. Lomotif has a creator fund that rewards popular content creators with cash bonuses. To qualify, you must have at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 views on your videos. B. Sponsored content. As your audience grows, you can collaborate with brands and businesses to create sponsored content. Reach out to companies in your niche and pitch your ideas for sponsored videos. C. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services from affiliate partners in your videos and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. D. Merchandise. Design and sell branded merchandise, such as t-shirts, hoodies, or stickers to your fans and followers. Encourage your followers to sign up for your email list by offering exclusive content, discounts, or early access to your videos. This will help you stay in touch with your audience and promote your content directly to them. Regularly review your Lomotif analytics to understand your audience's preferences and engagement patterns. Use this information to optimize your content strategy and increase your chances of monetization. Making money online with Lomotif in 2024 is achievable with dedication, hard work, and all executed content strategy. By following these steps, you can build a successful online presence, attract a loyal following, and monetize your content on this popular social media platform.